Hello students, hope you are good. Today we are going to discuss this skill oriented practicals part, okay, which is based on first topic, okay, advanced web designing. So, uh, you know, practical part is very important, essential when you talk about information technology. So we covered five practical SOP means skill oriented practicals in first topic. Topic name is advanced web designing. In this video, just covered single practical. Okay, students should file minimum 12 skill sets from SOPs as follows. Okay, so in this topic it will require any five. I think there are six to seven practicals. You can use any five. You can create any five. Now, second, digital marketing. There are four number of practicals actually. So you can create any two. You can write any two practicals. When you talk about computerized counting with GST, there are also four practicals. You can able to write any three. And last data concept using LibreOffice base. DB concepts are there. There are three practicals. You can write any two. Okay. So uh, let's start advanced web designing first practical. Okay. Just a minute. Creation of website using HTML5. Okay, let's discuss about this. Title. We need to write title for practical one, or you can say SOP1. Okay, but practical one is much better. So you have to write creation of website using HTML5. This is a practical title, and then few things how to create pages. Okay, so these are instructions. Create a website using HTML5 and CSS using any four CSS properties. You need to apply any four CSS properties. Write a code for two separate pages having different file names. First page name as index.html and second you can write page 2 or form. Okay, you can write a name for another page. Okay, use any theme such as college profile or company profile. Okay, just you need content, proper content, then you can write, able to create any profile. Okay, information is must. So every page. Now next, this is very important, so that's why I show you in bold text. Every page must contain proper meta information. You have to write metadata, okay, for specific each and every page. Okay, every page. And design web page as follows. First, index page. The index page must contain a heading which is highest among all other text on pages and must be at center of the page. There must be a paragraph which introduces general information about the theme chosen. Must have at least three physical style tags and one image with alternate text. This page must be connected to other two pages with proper navigation links. Proper navigation link. So let's. This is our discipline folder, practical area, and inside it We organize one directory, we organize one folder, and these are files in that folder. I already create required file is requirement is what graphics file. Here is one graphic file. Okay, this is our institute. Okay, Bhadgaon campus, Nandi Bhadgaon campus, right? So this is index page. This is another page. Let's start index. So in this way you can write create step information. See, first of all, one by one, it will help to understand. Okay, so doc type declaration is must, HTML tag is must. This is a fixed standard, very standard. Okay, or you can say HTML5 standards. Then title, you can write any name for title, index page. Um, this is a quality profile, so directly write the Vidya Mandir. Okay, campus. So in this way, you can write uh, exact title information, title for document. Now, every page must contain proper meta information. So that's why write meta tag. Okay, meta is singular tag. So meta cat set UF8. Now next, I will show you. See, meta. Just a minute. Okay, meta name description contained and the Vidya Mandir website. Okay. After that, keyword. Right. Okay. Okay. So keywords like content, Nandip, paid, college website, Nandip Damandir, and you can also write campus. Okay, so in this way you can write keyword. So this is about metadata information, right? So we need to write keywords, not a keyword, right? So keywords is there. Now next part is style. Okay. Also, you can write related to metadata. Okay, metadata information like HTTP queue or, but this is a essential part. Okay, and name and content. Right. Now next, style. Before you go into style, we need to set exact content. Right. So let's place on another area. Okay, this is the head section. Now body tag BG color sky blue. Okay, you can write any color combination. You can set any color combination for web page or particular page. Then H1 align center. This is just the heading, and the with them there Ratnagiri. Okay, H1. Then paragraph. This paragraph. Okay, as per requirement. This website contains information about Nandi Vidya Mandir Khed. However, college was established? Just a minute. Just a minute. Here, our college was established on 25th March 1999. It is one of the best leading colleges in Ratnagiri district. It is an ISO 9001-2000 certified school. Okay, this is a paragraph. Now, few sentences in the year 2003. June 2003, junior college science stream started with well-equipped science laboratories. Okay. In the year June 2006, junior college commerce stream started. Mark to highlight. So, particular sentence: construction of highlighted IT lab in June 2006. Then mark tag close, BR tag. Okay. In center, there is one image, record one image. Okay. So image is this tvmk.jpg with 600. You need to set alternate text. So then the Badgaon campus. Okay. Then hyperlink. This is very important to navigate, okay, one page to another, to redirect one page to another page. Okay. So second page name is form.html. So that's why I enter form.html here and simply write uh, proper text, okay. Click to fill feedback form. Okay, right, there is a feedback form. Right, feedback content, feedback or enrollment form. So you can write feedback, or you can write click to fill enrollment form. So in this way you can write this is pair type tag. So that's why opening a tag, and this is a closing a tag. Now center tag is closed, border tag, and so this is a simple page, right? Now if I save this file, okay, and execute without saves, then see what happened. This is without CSS, okay, simply using HTML. So if I add this CSS part in header section, see one by one. First of all, I need to add style tag. Okay, so just copy into that here. Okay, style tag. Then there is one heading. Okay, so that's why I use H1. Right, this is H1. Paste one there. There is, I think, CSS using any four CSS properties. So these fours are covered here, right? Background, color, font family, border radius. So all are covered in heading. Okay. So if I save this file, okay, and execute on page, just refresh it. Just a minute. What happened? Let me save this file and execute on browser. I think there is one mistake in index. Yes, definitely. Mistake is style. Style is a pair type of tag. Style is what pair type of tag. So that's why. Okay. So here we go. So this is the effect of CSS. And now I want to add effect for image Just go to page and just simply over paste it over header, header section. Okay, inside style sheet area. Then just execute aim, see what happens. Curve. Okay, to apply to that particular image. So background dash color, you can write any color. Okay, you can use Google, any search engine, to find a specific color shade. Okay, I highly recommend to search HTML color. Okay, HTML color code or HTML color through search engine, and um, take any color. Then border, font family, border radius to apply curve. Okay, now here image border 4px means 4 pixels thickness, solid means solid type. Okay, and dark blue is a color for border radius 25px for to apply curve to image. Okay, this is not a necessary, you can skip this. Okay, you can also skip image as well. Refresh, see, so things look like this, right? So this is the first page, just dot html, right? This is what index.html. Now next page name is form.html. Let me close this index. Now we need to open form.html pad. So here we go. Okay. Declaration is there. HTML tag, head tag, form page. You can write proper text for title, not a simply form page. Okay, just write Nandip and Vidya Mandir. Then write feedback feedback form. Okay, so in this way you can write proper text for title. Okay, now meta tag is there. Simply write meta description and the form or feedback form. Sorry, feedback form. Then keywords, content. File. Then content like same. Okay, just adding one more feedback form is there. And now next part is style tag. Okay, so here we go. Style is here. I need to skip this part. Delete. Okay, I just know. I just want to show you about how to apply style sheet in, or how the import, what is the importance to apply. Okay, now header section is closed, body tag, pg color, form name equal to f1, because we're going to add feedback form. You can place this sentence outside of form as well. Okay, because this is not a part of form, right? This is a better to write sentence feedback form, and then you can write this form name f1. Okay, so now form name F1 and table tag. Inside table, there is a very easy row to define row. Tr tag is there, right? Inside tr, there are two cells. First cell include enter name. Okay, first cell include enter name. This is the first cell, right? How to create cell? Again, table data, or how to create table data using td tag, opening and closing td. So td open, td close. Inside proper text, enter name. And another cell, to create another cell, again td is required. Td tag open and just create text box. So how to create text box? With the help of input tag. Input type equal to text name equal to t1. So in this way, there are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 number of rows. So that's why there are tr. How many times tr are come? 5 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is the 5. So email ID, we require input type equal to email, name equal to em. Okay, as per HTML5. Then mobile phone or contact, input type equal to text, name equal to mob, right? The next, address, we must apply text area. Okay, as the another tag is placeholder. You can apply rows and calls as well. Rows is equal to, you know about row equal to 5 and calls equal to 15 or 10. 15. Okay, placeholder means to display exact text for or instruction for um, user. Okay, enter your address. Text area close, td tr close. Next, last row, tr th call span equal to y call span, because there is a single cell. Okay, at th, it is used to what is the purpose of th? Th is used to apply make text bold. Okay, as well as uh, alignment center. Okay, input type equal to submit, name equal to submit, and value equal to submit. So this is a submit button code inside last row. Okay, we merge two columns to one and table close, form close. Okay, after closing form, we need to navigate. We required navigation links, right? Here, feedback enrollment form related with theme chosen with features of HTML5. The form must contain text element and email address of company. Must contain text element and email address. Text element. Okay. Company person include the submit button. Okay. So we require the submit button. So submit button is this. I think there is no requirement of for address. Let me check. Second page. Where is the second page? Okay. The second page must contain feedback enrollment form related with the chosen with features of HTML5. The form must contain text element and email address. Okay, email address, not address. So you need to change this. This is the email address. Okay, so no problem. Okay, it's a perfect form. And now last part is what? Navigation. See, I see two pages with proper navigation links. So if I want to go first page, then we need to add one hypertext link anchored with the help of a tag. A tag href is equal to index.html. This is the first file name, right? And just right click here to go home page. Home page means the first page of website, first page of uh, or first page, right? Just the first page. Then anchor tag close, put tag close and HTML. This is our second page. Okay. If I execute the same, see what happens. Without CSS, right? Without this is a, without CSS. Okay. If I click on home page, then see you can able to redirect the first page or home page. If I click on that, then that's it. Now if I add CSS area, copy, paste into that CSS area inside it, paste. Okay, this is not mandatory. Okay, table, right? H1, you just apply background color, any different, any background color, take then color for family. Okay, and save this file. Execute the same. See what happened. This is a power of CSS, right? Feedback form, email ID, your name, abc@gmail.com. CD. Yep. So mobile. So in this way, you can write your information inside this. Okay. This is our first experiment for practical. Okay. SOP1. Okay. Thank you.